In this video, you'll learn how to use a marking knife. A marking knife is a layout tool used to scribe a line into a workpiece. The knife's edge severs fibers, producing a demarcation. This helps make accurate cuts that can be followed with a handsaw or chisel. The tools and materials you will need are a workpiece, scrap wood, a marking knife, a ruler, a tri-square, and a pencil. Marking knives have a steel blade with a bevel that is usually on one side. The other side is flat, so the tip is flush with the edge that guides the marking. The handle is usually made of hardwood or plastic. The marking knife can be held as you would grip a pen or as you would grip a regular knife. Remember to keep your fingertips away from the sharp edges. Some marking knives have a spear point with a bevel on either side. This helps mark a line in both directions. To mark a line along which to saw, first use a ruler to measure the distance from the edge that needs to be shortened. Mark both ends of the line. Place the cutting edge of the marking knife in line with the measured mark. Holding the marking knife in position, remove the ruler and place it alongside the blade, so that it extends from one end of the cut to the other at a right angle with the edge. Now scribe a line along the edge of the ruler. Trace the line with a pencil to make it more visible. A marking knife is generally used when laying out across the grain and avoided when laying out with the grain, as the blade tends to follow the fibers, resulting in inaccurate lines. You should be able to control the knife without a death grip. To create a starting point for the saw, place the blade against the edge where the scribed line ends and roll it down to create a groove. You have now learned how to use a marking knife.